Greetings, everyone. This is Dave with Mighty Line Minute, and today I've got a special guest, Shannon Stamper here, who's Vice President of Operations for ShieldMark Mighty Line. We'll be right with you. Hi, Shannon. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Dave. How are you doing?
Great. Glad to have you on the show. And we're going to be talking about what you do here at Mighty Line, as well as some new and interesting things that you've been working on. So how long have you been with ShieldMark Mighty Line?
So just about 9 years. And I'm our current VP of Operations. So basically I work in conjunction with our warehouses to make sure they have what they need to stay efficient and productive and go from there.
You're key to everything that goes on around here, from finance to operations to products. Your knowledge of the customers is immense. So what excites you about this job? What you seem to enjoy coming here every day?
I do love it. Yeah, I work with an incredible group of people and I'm really passionate about the product and it's been a great company to work for.
Yes, and I know that this is going to be released here on St. Patrick's Day, so we've got some green to talk about. But, as far as color goes, what is the importance of color in what our customers are looking for in their operations?
Well, I think colors can do a few things. One, I think that they really enhance visibility, but also I think that you could use color to communicate different messages. So, for example, you might use the color green for your first aid kit, or maybe your eye wash station, whereas you might use another color, like your yellow, for your forklift pathways or your pedestrian walkways. So that way they can tell different messages for your safety.
Yeah, and whether it's 5S or whether it's color coding for compliance, I know that color is often a discussion I'm hearing everyone here talk about. What about the differentiation in colors? Are there needs for diagonals, stripes, and why do people seek something other than a solid color?
Yeah, definitely. One, I think some of the diagonals, like our green and white here, are eye-catching, but two, they can definitely convey different messages. Certain colors can mean biohazard or fire hazard and so on and so forth. So you can definitely use all these, whether they're solid or diagonals, to kind of tell what an area is designated for.
Yeah, are there shapes that we use sometimes as well, other than just a symbol or a tape?
Absolutely, yeah. So you could use your pallet markers, not only to mark pallets, but
Let's see what those look like. Can you show us?
Absolutely. So these are your kind of angled corners, and they pop out. You could use them, like I said, not only for your pallet markers, but if you wanted to mark off a specific area, keep this spot clear type of area, or really anything that you want to designate a spot for.
Yeah.
You could also use dots.
Are those for identifying the paths of leprechauns?
Maybe. Yeah, you could use them to designate a line. You could use them for all sorts of different purposes. Enhance your safety and it's the colors.
Yeah. So basically, you're helping improve safety in the workplace in addition to operations.
Definitely.
Yeah. And what's new in development? I know that you'll be at some of these upcoming trade shows. Is there anything unique that Mighty Line is doing with technology?
We are working on our Mighty Bot robotic floor tape applicator. And then also we've recently come out with a ribbed floor tape, so it has a little more texture to it, and we'll definitely have that at the show with us.
Awesome. Are you going to be at the show coming up next week? And if so, what show is that?
Yes, I will be at the show at ProMat at the McCormick Center in Chicago next week.
So look for the ShieldMark Mighty Line booth. I hope sometimes we have a blimp up there. Is that going to be on full display?
Yes, it will be.
Cool, cool. Well, are there any parting comments you'd like to make to our customers and users of Mighty Line floor tape and floor signs?
Well, I think you could, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can always reach out to us. And we do have a color guide that if you have any need for more information, you can follow that if you want to follow kind of our recommended or OSHA's recommended standard. But also every warehouse, is different, and you can do what works for you.
Okay. Well, awesome. We're going to direct people to the right location, and if they need to reach you, they can reach you at the form there on the mightylinetape.com.
Yep.
All right. Well, any wishes to those out there on St. Patrick's Day?
Yeah, have a safe and a happy, fun holiday.
Thanks, Shannon. You have a great day, too.
You well.
Take care.